with Focus Physical Therapy. I wanted to talk to you today about maintenance. Oftentimes we have injuries that don't require surgery to fix, but they're still kind of there. Whether it be a partial labral tear, either in your shoulder or your hip, some degenerative issues that have happened in your back or your neck, and they're things that come around and happen occasionally. They have a flare-up basically, but they don't constantly cause you issues, and you don't want to have surgery for them because then that leads to whole other issues. So maintenance is a great way to kind of treat it as you need or keep yourself ahead of it so it doesn't become debilitating. Here at Focus Physical Therapies, we have a maintenance program where you can sign up and you can do 1 time a month, 2 times a month, once a week to just kind of keep yourself where you want to be so you're able to continue doing all the activities, work, play with your kids that you want to do. And the great thing about this is it keeps your body going, and that's an important thing.